Every musician, beginner, returning student, even professionals, goes through seasons. Some seasons are full of practice and breakthroughs. Others are filled with responsibilities, travel, and not enough time. But both seasons matter. So if your December looks a little scattered, remember, this is temporary, and your love of music is growing, even quietly. If you've missed a few days, or even a few weeks, practicing your piano, you need to hear this. You haven't lost your skills. You haven't gone backward. Your hands remember more than you think. Your ear remembers. Your heart remembers. And when things slow down again, you'll pick up right where you left off. Because music is patient with you, and so I encourage you, give yourself that same patience. You know, the holidays can be overwhelming, even though it may sometimes be a joyful overwhelm. A lot going on. But here's your invitation. Let music support you. Play something simple, something you love, a favorite carol, a simple warm-up exercise, a single melody that feels like home. You don't have to push or perfect anything. Just let the notes give you a moment to unwind and breathe. If you're feeling behind, try this. Just show up for 1 minute. Sit at the piano, play a scale, play a chord, play a tiny phrase, a bit of a song. Congratulations, then. You've kept your musical spark alive. You showed up. Progress is built on small, faithful steps, especially during busy seasons like the holiday season. You're doing great. You're a piano student, an adult piano student, a dedicated learner of music, but every December something strange happens. Your practice time disappears. It's gone. Well, it's not your fault. It's holiday magic. But here's the good news. Your piano, or your keyboard, it doesn't mind. It's not sitting there tapping its foot and looking at its watch and getting ready to file a complaint. It's just sitting there and it's saying, hey, whenever you're ready, we can pick up where we left off. So if your practice time has vanished, consider yourself normal and wonderfully human. Do you ever feel like your piano judges you every time you walk by? Saying, where have you been? You haven't been playing very much, or you haven't been playing at all. You're not practicing enough. Well, let me reassure you, pianos are incapable of judgment. They are, however, excellent at gathering dust and holding stacks of mail. If your piano hasn't seen much action during this busy month, that's fine. It's just waiting patiently, possibly under a pile of Christmas cards. It will certainly welcome you when you get back. Did you know that music doesn't expire like eggnog? You know what expires, right? Eggnog. The cookies get stale. Your patience expires when you're trying to find a perfect gift for a loved one. I know what that's like. I'm going through that right now. But you know what doesn't expire? Your musical progress. So if you skip a week or a couple of weeks, nothing spoils. Music just waits for you. Perfectly fresh, perfectly ready, every time you return. Every year, someone tries to catch up on weeks of practice in one evening. You may be tempted to do this, especially if you feel guilty for not practicing much during the holidays. Well, I would encourage you not to do that. That's how you end up trying to play Jingle Bells at warp speed and questioning every life decision. Instead, I encourage you to take the scenic route, one small friendly stop at a time. Your fingers and your sanity will thank you. Imagine if musicians were forced to race each other. Can you picture Beethoven sprinting down a track with a piano strapped to his back? That's kind of ridiculous, isn't it? Music isn't about speed. It's about the moments, the quiet ones, the joyful ones, even the clumsy ones. So take your time this holiday season. Your musical journey is unfolding beautifully at your pace. Every now and then, a song from years ago comes back to you. Maybe it's something you learned as a kid, or something you heard a loved one play. And it's been on your mind lately, a song that starts running through your mind. Well, take a moment this season and try to play a piece of that song. Pick it out by ear if you have to. Music has this beautiful way of connecting your past self to your present self. Even a few notes can bring back a time when life felt slower, softer, simpler. Let it remind you why you fell in love with music in the first place. Do you remember the first time a piece of music made you stop and really listen? Maybe it was a carol at church, or your teacher playing a song effortlessly, or a record spinning in the living room. Records, now I'm really dating myself. That memory still lives in you. And every time you sit down at the piano, even now, you're touching that same sense of wonder. The holidays are a perfect time to revisit the magic. So many of us grew up with a piano in the family room, a piano in the living room maybe, a slightly out-of-tune upright, covered with photos, candles, or half-finished homework. Maybe someone in your house played, or maybe the piano just sat there quietly. But every December it suddenly came alive with carols and guests and children playing random notes. If you have a piano like that, you're carrying part of its story with you. Every note you play today keeps that old tradition moving forward. There's a certain feeling that only holiday music can bring, Christmas music. A kind of warm glow, like lights in a snowy window if you live somewhere where it snows, or a familiar voice telling a story. When you sit at the piano this holiday season, don't worry about playing perfectly. Just let yourself enjoy that glow. Let it remind you of long ago gatherings, favorite songs, and the people who showed you what music could mean. Everyone has that one song, the first one that they truly loved. Maybe it was a holiday song, or a theme from a movie, or an old Christmas record playing in the background of your childhood. If you can remember that song, then try playing even a hint of its melody this week. It's amazing how a few notes can feel like coming home. Every holiday season has its noise, the errands, the gatherings, the rushing around, or spending time online nowadays, shopping for gifts. But there's also that one quiet moment late at night or early in the morning when the house is still. That's a perfect time for you to sit at the piano, even briefly. That stillness has a way of carrying memories, And somehow, your playing becomes part of those memories too. Maybe someone once encouraged you, a parent, a teacher, a friend. They encouraged you to keep making music. Maybe they believed in you long before you believed in yourself. Every time you sit down to play, you honor what they poured into you. And the best part? You're passing it forward to family members, to friends, to your children, maybe even your grandchildren, to anyone who hears your music. Your playing becomes part of someone else's story someday.